Etchr Lab started a Kickstarter in February 2020, and they were launching their own watercolor half pans. It's a set of 24. They're highly transparent, semi-opaque, has really great light fastness levels, very stylish mouthbox. Oh my goodness. You know, like, there's very minimal packaging, obviously. It's very compact. I might need scissors. Alright, so, like I suspected, minimal packaging. I did end up needing scissors to get into this. Okay. Ooh. Magnets, very nice and spiffy. I think I saw these in the thing too. So they're just little stickers. Make more art, let your art grow. For the creators. Creative juice. Cute. Totally agree. Super cute. Ooh. This is ritzy. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this cloth. Fancy. It's like one of those glasses, microfiber cloth that you can wash white glasses on. Nice. It's heavy. Obviously, it's metal. I have a case very similar to this, but I don't have as many paints in it. Nice. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of neat. So we can fill this in. Watercolor paper. No idea how long I've waited for these things. I might reorganize them later, but right now, just because this is how it came, I'm going to try to keep this order. I mean, it's pretty well organized in general. I like that the white is with light colors. I've opened some before that, like the white is right next to black. I always end up moving everything around. So I've obviously been excited because these have been on their way forever, but I'm even more excited that it's here because I've never owned this many colors before. Since I am still kind of getting into watercoloring and illustrations and things, I've always had just cheap hand sets, and they have 12 colors or 6 colors. So this is just so like mind-blowing, or like, I don't know, super exciting to have this many colors. It's so nice too. They're all like flat and in there all pretty. So I'm happy that they gave me swatch kind of paper that came along with it, but I'm noticing right away with these darker colors, I'm probably going to want to make my own in the order that it's in the box, like to go along with it, because theirs is on like a spiffy piece of paper with all the like spiffy titles and everything, and that's awesome. But I'm gonna have a lot of trouble remembering these guys' names. I'm happy that I kept them in order. This name, oh my gosh, Soulless Black, nice. They look beautiful. Okay. Let's paint. So I'm going to use my dynamic distractions number 6 to start out with. The paper is kind of like a vanilla color, so maybe the white will show up. We're going to see. Take my brush. So far it's super smooth. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. So, for a watercolor newbie, oh yeah, I can. You probably can't, but yeah, I can see it. Let me see. Let's get in there. So for a watercolor newbie, I have been using just Michael's brand. Yeah. Michael's brand is $5.99. And this is just different. Make it out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is showing up. I like that it doesn't take much in order to work the paint up onto the water, so definitely good on that. That was one of the selling points. Again, when I work with my Michael's brand, the Artist Loft, it takes a while to get some color onto the brush. Very nice. Oh, it looks so beautiful. That you have to see. Yeah. Going for this. Oh no. This seems orange to me, but it's still a very beautiful color. This would be very good for skin tones, I think. I'm excited about that. This would be good for skin tones. Seriously loving how buttery this is. Like, hardly any water at all. This is so nice. This is cute. Llama orange. This is nuts, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can definitely tell the quality. So this is still student grade, supposedly, but I can definitely tell the quality difference from my my Artist Loft. This is crazy. So these are kind of similar. I guess now that this one's drying a little bit, it's darkening up a little bit, so maybe not so much. I'm still freaking out about the how easy this is, though. I think this is going to change my painting a little bit, though, because of how dark this is coming so easily. Like, probably gonna have to be more careful when applying like how much paint before I do tons of layers, because it just never seems dark enough. And this, I think I'm gonna have to just be careful. Now that I'm this far, I wonder if I should have spread them out so I could thin them and see what that looked like. Oh. So I might have messed this up. What is, no. That one's completely different. I thought it was like a brown. Whoa. Okay. So this one's really dark too. Ooh. I would not think of pretty pink with this. I would think like more of a magenta, but I'm not judging the names. I'm just observing. This is so cool. Hardly any water at all. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really be careful. My brush was barely in the water, and that is dark. I mean, it's beautiful, it is gorgeous, but for someone who is just learning and has been using very cheap paints, this is going to be a game changer. Maybe I have too much water on this one. This guy's surprising me. Maybe that's his color. This looks so blue. And it's in that paint. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is emerald green. I can see a little bit of difference. There's a watercolor artist that I follow, and she always mentions ultramarine blue. Now I will know what she's talking about. I may have to go back. I think these dried up and now I don't know where it was. Alright, let's just play it safe. Yikes. Wow. This is soulless black for sure. Whoa. So now that leaf green dried, I do think that was his color, because this burnt sienna is kind of the same way. So upcutting 1, 2, 3. Wow, this looks red on there. Wow. Wow! Oh my gosh. So this is absolutely crazy. They're beautiful. I think they gave us like the vanilla color so that way white would show up. But even on this vanilla color, all of these colors are so vibrant, pigmented. They're beautiful. I actually like this texture going on as it dried. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You have no idea how excited I am. I can't see it. This little packaging thingy, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim it down a little bit, and I'm going to trace some lines and everything. I think this is what I'm gonna put to keep in here as my cheat sheet. So just so, because I think this, I mean, yes, it's in order, but I don't know if this will always help me. Like, I'm gonna have to count every time. So I might trim this down and stick it in here just so I can look up at the colors. But yeah, this is gonna be so much fun. Blending some of these together, mixing these, hardly any water at all. I am super excited. Etchr Lab, if you're watching, if you're out there, I really hope you keep going with these. Please don't let this be the only time that you make these.